Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are we going to do today, Leo?
Take apart the truck.
Take apart the truck. Okay, so there it is. And what tools are you going to use to take it apart today?
Only this.
Only a screwdriver? Okay, so where is the screw? Can you show us?
There's the screw.
Where? Oh, there at the bottom. Can you see everybody? Right there at the bottom. Okay. Now wait. Now I'll hold it for you and you can unscrew it. You want to do it yourself?
I'll do it like that. You
Do it yourself.
this way?
Yes. Carry on. No, other way. Do it the other way. Other way. Other way. Make sure it's in properly. There we go. Other way. Other way.
This way.
Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Good job. Good job. There we go. And what's happening?
Only this went off.
Did only that come off? Oh no. What is it?
The tower.
The what?
The tower.
The tow bar. Okay. So let's put it there, but now does the rest come off? Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Let's see what's inside. And the wheels come off. Fantastic. The whole thing comes apart. Look at that, guys. Find the screwdriver. Look at that, guys.
I took apart.
Well done. Now, the question is, can you put it all together?
I don't know myself.
Try. Let's try. Give it a go.
What is clamps in?
Oh, really? Well done. Next part. The wheel on there. Then the next part. Oh, no, it fell. Okay, there we go. Got it.
Thank
Luckily,
you.
I caught it.
Thank you.
Put it back on.
Do like that.
Okay, then what's next?
This.
No, I don't think that way. Let's turn it around. There. Okay. Put it in now.
That's clamps.
There we go. Did you hear the click? Now what goes on? Now the tow bar goes. Oh, it's actually the bull bar. So let's put that on there.
Let me put it back on. No, let me do it.
Okay.
Let me do it. No, let
Screw
me do
it
it.
back on. Let's just get it
This way?
located properly.
Must I screw it this way?
Yes, that way. Okay, go for it.
Myself.
There we go, nearly done. Fantastic. Let's see if it's all tight and secure.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's not tight enough yet. Okay, I think that's enough.
Guys.
All done. Well done. Good job. Say bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.